Hi, Scott Bruder here. So I'm using my Panasonic CF25 laptop running Windows 95. Um, Look at that, Windows 95. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the shareware version of Doom and actually play it. Now, the installation process uh, is pretty automated. Like this is great for software at the time, right? You don't have to know anything about floppy disks or things like that. You just need to know your drive letter and where you want things to go. Now, for today's installation, I am going to install it to the F drive, and I'm going to install it to the folder called Doom SW. And it's going to say that this directory doesn't exist. Do I want to create it? And I'm going to say yes, yes I do. And there it goes. It starts installing it right away. It has a little display screen that goes through it, and then it takes me right into the Doom setup. And this program here is also another great utility. It has a lot of auto detection and gives you lots of options. So right off the start, I get asked for controller type. Do I want to use a keyboard and mouse? Do you want to use a joystick? Or do we want to use just the keyboard? Well, I have a touchpad on this, so I doubt I'm going to be using a mouse or a joystick with this. So we're going to do 100% keyboard. So let's go keyboard only. Now the system is going to automatically detect on majority of modern retro systems, newer old stuff. If you have a computer from like 1993, 1994, 1995, you're going to probably find that these utilities work really well at detecting what you have installed. So I know this Panasonic toughbook has a Sound Blaster compatible card. So it may not be Sound Blaster, but it definitely supports the full feature set. And it seems like it's detected here. So I'm going to select Sound Blaster. Now, it is already detected or assumes it's detected the sound card located at a port address of 220. So I'm going to say, sure, yes. And it's saying, for my sound effects, what do I want? And I'm like, well, it says Sound Blaster again. I'm going to just take all the automatic settings, 220, yep. And then our IQR is almost always going to be 5 or 7. It seems like it's 5 here. Our DMA channel is almost always going to be 3. And it specifies the number of effects to mix together. The system is set to 3 right out the gate, and I'm going to stick with that because if you have too many sounds layered over top of each other, you'll get some tearing and some audio problems. So I'm going to say, let's take that. And then, of course, the next option is save parameters and launch Doom. So now the question is, will it play and will we be able to hear it? So let's launch it. Look at that. We got some music. So that means the sound, the music controller works. I have sound effects. I hear the game playing sound effects. So I think we got it all taken care of okay. And of course, old original Doom. No WASD. It's all arrow keys. Well, I'm going to keep playing this, but thank you for watching. And if you have questions or comments, put them in the points below. And thank you. Have a great day.